what's going on, guys? It's Salty, and today I'm bringing you a mixture between a question and answer video and a radio video log. So I don't have much time, so I'm only going to be taking a few questions, and then I'm going to hop into the topic of the video log. So it's not wasting time, let's hop right into the video. Alright guys, first question is from TSG Yankees, and he's asking, are you going for Phase 5? Why or why not? I really do not know what Phase 5 is, so I'm going to say no. Okay, moving on. Next question is from Pascal FX, and he said, on a scale from 1 to 10, 12 being the lowest, 2 being the highest, how much sense did this whole scale make? I'm not really sure what that is supposed to mean, so I'm going to say a 7. Alright guys, that's all the questions for today, but that gets me into my next topic, and that's Map Pack 3 for Call of Duty Ghosts. So we're going to download the map pack. Me and some of my buds, we're going to download it right as it comes out. We're going to try to beat the extinction map for that right as it comes out. We're going to try to be the first ones to beat it, upload it to YouTube for you guys to watch and enjoy. And that gets me into my next topic, which is when is that map pack going to come out? So I did some research, and this is what I found out. Okay, so I found the release date of Call of Duty Ghost, the release date of the first DLC, and the release date of the second DLC. And I took a time between the release of Call of Duty Ghost to the first DLC, and that was 84 days. And then I found the time between the first DLC to the second DLC, and that was 65 days. So I predicted with 64 days from the second DLC, which is June 6th, and 84 days from the second DLC, which is June 26th, that is going to be when Map Pack 3 is released. That's my prediction for Map Pack 3, June 6th to June 26th. So we're going to try to beat the world record, try to get it done the fastest as we can. Hope to see you guys there. I spent a lot of time in this video researching and doing editing. If you'd please leave a like, comment, favorite, and subscribe. Follow my Twitter. Be down in the description below. And as always guys, this has been Salty. See you later.